Hello and welcome to the Arkansas Weather Blog. We are your ticket to big weather events, recording this Friday, June 1st at about 10:30 in the morning, the start of meteorological summer, June 1st. And we just came off a record-breaking May. It's going to be so hot. We got a lot going on in the weather world here. First of all, 183 days until meteorological winter. But let's just not get too far ahead of ourselves. We have near record-breaking high temperatures Saturday. Now, there's no heat advisory in effect at this time for Saturday, but whether there's one that's issued or not, you need to take care of yourself on Saturday, because I think heat index readings are going to get around 100, 105, or even higher than that during the afternoon. A front's coming in, and it will really heat up in front of that, and I'm thinking temperature highs around 96, 97, 98 degrees right in there tomorrow. 97 is the record high, and it was set back in 1911, 107 years ago. But after that, major relief. Now, getting to that point, I want you to stay weather aware. There's going to be the chance for thunderstorms later tomorrow, and I'm going to go through the threats and the timing of that. There's that chance coming up late Saturday. So most of Saturday will be just hot and humid. And then late in the day, that's where I expect severe thunderstorms. And the dew point is just going to be outrageous. So we call it the dew point and you, and how it affects you. There we go. Anyway, we look at the number, and the higher the number, typically the more uncomfortable the area is. And the dew point temperatures Saturday are going to be 70 or higher. That's oppressive. But by Sunday, I think they're going to be around 50, 55. And that's invigorating to pleasant, especially for this time of the year. So there is that risk for severe weather, and this again includes the Little Rock metro area, even into Saline County down towards Pine Bluff, Stuttgart, and areas north and east, all of northeastern Arkansas. And that's late Saturday. I think there's a chance that it could get upgraded to an enhanced risk in Missouri through the Boot Heel, Missouri, and into western Tennessee and portions of Arkansas. And let me show you the impacts from this. I think that, again, a lot of people say, hey, this storm is, why isn't there a severe thunderstorm warning for me? And it's thundering and lightning, it's real loud, and the heavy rain. Well, there are two things that make a thunderstorm severe. Hail 1 inch in diameter or greater, or winds 58 miles per hour or greater. And I think both of those are the possibility. And I would say the wind threat out of this may be a little bit greater than the hail threat. And of course, you can never rule out a tornado, but that's on the low end, that threat for tomorrow. And some brief isolated flooding. Now, these are the heat index values forecast by a computer model for Saturday in the Little Rock metro area. The feels-like temperature, remember the threshold for a heat advisory is 105 degrees or higher. And this model shows that from 1 o'clock to 5 o'clock, we will meet that threshold. So whether or not one gets issued for Saturday or not, I want you please take care of yourself. It is going to be just horrible. Now, I did not put pause points in this, I don't think. Yes, I did. All right, this is Futurecast. This is the RPM, and this is the timing of this, and this will change. But by 7 o'clock, I expect strong to severe thunderstorms across northern and northeastern Arkansas. Hail and wind will be the primary threats out of this. That's at 7 o'clock Saturday evening. So that's in an area where a lot of people do a lot of outdoor activities, camping. You need to have a way to get warnings. Then that moves further towards the east and the south at 8:30. Thunderstorms trying to build back towards Garland County, and especially into northeastern Arkansas, where that slight risk, again, remember, that slight risk is in this area right in here. Remember that. And you see some big thunderstorms. Now, will the leading edge of the storms be right here? It's impossible to say that that's going to be perfect, but I think it's going to be fairly close to that idea. And these thunderstorms will become a big wind maker and then move out of the Channel 7 viewing area for the most part around midnight. This is 10:30, and you see a lot of that in Mississippi and some still in Arkansas, just south and east of Little Rock. But look how quickly it moves away, and then the reward is there, less humid and cooler air for Sunday. Heat index temperatures. Now remember, heat index temperatures on Saturday, we told you around 105, 107. Look at what they're going to look like on Sunday afternoon. Yeah. Much, much, much better. So, again, to reiterate, on Saturday, near record-breaking highs, actual air temperature, 97 degrees, around there, the record 97 back in 1911. A round of strong to severe thunderstorms late in the day. I'm going to just say the time period from 6 to midnight, everyone needs to be weather aware and have a way to receive warnings. And I think the areas most prone to severe thunderstorms will be areas north and east of Little Rock, maybe even including Little Rock. Wind and hail, main threats, especially wind. We cannot rule out an isolated tornado, I think, by later Saturday afternoon and into the evening, but that threat is rather low. Sunday, the air is going to become much, much more comfortable. So stay with Channel 7. We'll keep you updated. Thanks for coming to the Arkansas Weather Blog. We are your ticket to big weather events.